Hello. Welcome back to the community. That's my comedy community. My community. That's you guys. Hey, yes, the sun's out again. Which is why you see smoke rising from my eyeballs. Ugh. So, I found out why my grandpa likes pretzels so much. And it's to soak up all the beer in his stomach. It really sobers him up. I like pretzels too, but I don't drink. I like pretzels just because they're tasty. Anyway, I'm going on stage again tonight. Which is cool. It's cool. I really like doing it. I like seeing you guys there too. You guys like when I do it. Anyway, there's no wheelchair ramp up to the stage, so that's like the only problem I have. Because you know how lazy I am. I don't like walking. But I'm forced to walk, and then I'm on stage because there's no ramp. One of these days we'll be equal. One of them. Click this ad so I can buy a new camera. Alright. Thank you. Met this girl from Seattle yesterday. She took one look at me and said, "You white as hell." Like, girl, you haven't even seen the sun. How can I be white? You wouldn't even know what the sun is. I get burned and you get... So I get burned by the sun and then I get burned by your... Rude. People ask if I'm original. I say I'm more sour cream and onion. Or sour cream and onion. I'm anything but original. And remember, once you pop, you don't get that, you don't lose that weight. Once you pop with a baby. Oh, now you get it. Once you pop, you don't lose that weight. Ah, ha, ha, ha. There you get it. I know why the caged bird sings. It's the same reason a caged human sings. Just a simple case of boredom. They're just bored. I sing when I'm bored. I sing in the shower. What else is there to do? I can't check my emails because electricity and water equal electrocution. So I'm working all day today. Yes, I'm working. I am working all day, so I will wear my crown. Crown the king. The working! Oh man, I'm tired. Okay, guess what? I'll be on tonight, at last. You'll see me live. I'll see you there. Tomorrow you'll see it a day late on the channel. For most of you. Saturday, shout out special. Get ready for that. It's freezing. 60 degrees. I have a twin brother that not very many people know about. So that's how we come up with so much material. We alternate days. You say, now it makes sense. Anyway, I gotta get ready for work. What time is it? Oh my God! I gotta go!